everyone. We all know that AI has reached another level, but you can now also generate voiceovers through AI. But the only problem with that is that these AI generated voiceovers sound quite unrealistic. But what if I tell you that there are text to speech voiceover tools that can help you generate human like realistic sounding voiceovers? So in this video, let me walk you through 5 text-to-speech voiceover tools that can help you generate human-like voiceovers. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnVoo, and let's get started. First on the list, we have Murf. Now this intuitive text-to-speech software is much more than the regular voiceover tool. It is not only a text-to-speech software but also an online video maker. Now with Murf, you can create engaging voiceovers from scratch in just minutes. Let's quickly take a look at how it works. For that, simply go to Murf's official site. Now log in or sign up from the option here. Once you are logged in, here in this section, enter the text you want to convert to speech. However, you can also import script from the option here in the left column. Once the text is entered, select the voice from here. Now, Murf text-to-speech software has over 120 male and female AI natural sounding voices. Next, from here, you can choose the language, like I have kept it English. Now it has more than 20 languages. You can choose an AI voice from languages like French, German, Hindi, etc. Now from here you can play with the tone of the speech, pitch and speed. Make the adjustments as per your requirement. Once that's done, one of the best features that this software offers is that you can add pauses to your speech by selecting the option here and selecting the pause duration. Now this will automatically make your speech sound much more realistic. Like here, let me add a weak pause. Now once that's done, you can simply preview the project from here. And you can also play and check the audio from the play option here. Once all that is done, simply export the audio file from here. Next on the list, we have Speechify. Now, Speechify text-to-speech software lets you power through documents, articles, PDFs, and more, and also convert them to natural-sounding speech in a matter of minutes. Now, the platform currently provides text-to-speech natural voices in 30 plus languages across different accents. But with Speechify's free version, users can only access the software's basic text-to-speech voices. Now let's quickly take a look at how that works. For that, simply go to Speechify's site, log in or sign up first from the option here. Now here click on New and select the Create Professional Voiceover. Now once you land on this particular page, click on New and select Create Voiceover. Now similar to Murf, give the text here. Next, select the voice that you want. Now from here, select the tone of the speech that you want. Next, adjust the speed of the speech. Next, if you want to add any pause to the speech, take the cursor to that particular place. And from here, click on Add Pause and select the pause that you want. Once all that is done, you can simply export it from the export option here. Next on the list, we have Voiser. Now with the power derived from AI and machine learning, Voiser ensures that texts are transformed into natural, fluent and realistic sounds. And also the audio files are transcribed and converted into text. Now this is another great option for generating text-to-speech voiceovers. They offer 75 plus languages and over 550 voices. Now, additional mind-blowing feature that it offers is transcription. Now, be it text-to-speech or speech-to-text, this tool has got you all covered. Now, to see how Voiser works, simply go to Voiser's site, log in or sign up first from the option given here. Next, click on Go to Voiceover Studio. Now once you land on this particular page, similar to the other tools mentioned, give the text here. Next, select the language of the speech from here. Next, select the voice from here. Now adjust the speed and the pitch of the speech as per your requirement. Now here you can see that we have not got the pause option like we did in the earlier options. However, you can simply add a pause by changing the paragraph or line in the text given here. In case you want to add a new paragraph, simply go to the text and press enter. And in case you want to add a new line, simply press shift plus enter. Once all the changes are made, click on voice selected lines. Once that's done, your voiceover will be generated. Next, preview the audio from the play button here. And once that's done and all looks fine, click on download to download the voiceover audio. Next on the list, we have Voicebooking. Now this tool is an easiest and fastest text-to-speech voiceover generator. Copy, paste and listen. It's that easy. Though it has tons of premium features, its free version lets you create one project. Now Voicebooking is simple, fast and free testing and generator of voiceover text. Let's quickly take a look at how that works. For that, first go to Voicebooking site. Log in or sign up first from the options given here. Next on your dashboard, go to start a new project and here click on voiceover generator projects. Now here give the text. Select the language from here and from here select the voice. Next click on speed and adjust the speed according to your requirements. Once that's done, click on apply. Similarly, click on pitch and make the adjustments. And once that's done, click on apply. Now click on silence. Now this will help you to add a pause. Now click on the text where you want to add a pause. And from the drop down, select the pause duration. Once that's done, click on apply. Next, click on emphasis and select the emphasis you want. Once that's selected, click on apply here. Once done with all the changes required, you can click on play all and check how it sounds. Or select a particular text and click on play selection to check how that selected sound particularly sounds. Once all that looks fine, simply save or download the audio from the options here. Next on the list, we have Clipchamp. Now Clipchamp lets you create a free voiceover from a range of voices in a variety of languages and accents for your videos. They offer 400 lifelike voices, 170 diverse languages and 3 different voiceover speeds. Now let's quickly take a look at how that works. For that, first go to Clipchamp's website, sign in or sign up from here. Once signed in, you will land on this particular page. Now click on create new video. Now don't worry, we won't be editing any video here. However, this app lets you edit a video and then add text-to-speech voiceover here itself. But we won't be doing any of that. Let me just simply show you how you can generate voiceover here. For that, go to the dashboard here and click on record and create. Click on text-to-speech. A pop-up will open something like this. Next here, give the text. Select the language from here and from here select the voice. Now here select the voice style that is selected to general by default. Next go to the speed and make the adjustment according to your requirement. Now click on pitch and make the adjustments. Once that's done, preview from here and if all looks fine, click on save to media. Now once it's saved to media, you can drag and drop and use it on a video or simply export it in an MP4 format. And that was all. So these were the top 5 mind-blowing text-to-speech voiceover tools that can help you generate human-like voiceovers. Do let us know in the comment section if you found these tools useful. The links to all these tools are mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.